Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legend, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOSLauncher on this device. Start by opening Play Store, tapping on the search bar and typing in iOSLauncher. Now install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, select while using the app and Allow. Then click on Home button and go into Device Settings. Over here you need to click on Apps Management over here and choose Default Apps. Then click on Home app and set up iOSLauncher by tapping on it. Over here click on OK and got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always switch between them by going into the same app settings and clicking on your default launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!